The Coming of Pollyanna by A. H. Potter. B. Read these lines and answer the questions. 1. The telegram says, light hair, red checked gingham dress, and straw hat. That is all I know, but I think it is sufficient for your purpose. A. Who said these lines and to whom? Answer. Miss Polly says these lines to Nancy, a servant in the household. B. Who was the person in the red checked gingham dress? Answer. This description refers to Pollyanna, Miss Polly's orphaned niece who is coming to live with her. C. Why did the speaker say this? Answer. The speaker said this because she believed that the information about the dress should be enough to identify Pollyanna. 2. I hope for her sake she's quiet and sensible, and doesn't drop things nor bang doors. A. Who said these lines and to whom? Answer. This is Nancy speaking to Timothy, the gardener. B. Where was the speaker when he said these lines? Answer. The speaker, Nancy, was with Timothy in an open buggy when she said these lines. C. Why did the speaker hope that she should be quiet and sensible? Answer. The speaker hoped that she should be quiet and sensible because Miss Polly prefers a quiet and orderly life and worries about having a disruptive or careless person in her home. 3. Of course, if 'tisn't far, I shall not mind, though, 'cause I'll be glad to get there all the sooner, you know. What a pretty street. I knew 'twas going to be pretty. A. Who said these lines and to whom? Answer. This is Pollyanna speaking, most likely to herself. B. Where was the speaker going? Answer. Pollyanna is traveling to live with her Aunt Polly. C. How did the speaker know that the street was going to be pretty? Answer. This is Pollyanna's general optimism. She doesn't have any specific knowledge about the street but chooses to focus on the positive. C. Answer these questions. 1. What was the attic room like? Describe it in your own words. Answer 1. The attic room in The Coming of Pollyanna was small, dim, and dusty. It had a sloping ceiling and contained only a bed, a bureau, and a straight-backed chair. 2. What instructions did Miss Polly give Nancy for Pollyanna's room? Answer 2. Miss Polly instructed Nancy to keep the windows closed until the screens arrived for the attic room. 3. Who was Timothy? What task did Miss Polly give him? Answer 3. Timothy was a good-natured young man who worked as a gardener for Miss Polly. He was tasked with taking Nancy in an open buggy to the station to fetch Pollyanna. 4. How did Pollyanna react on seeing Nancy? Answer 4. Pollyanna reacted with excitement and joy upon seeing Nancy. 5. Who had bought the trunk for Pollyanna? What had they planned to buy with the money with which they bought the trunk? Answer 5. The trunk for Pollyanna was bought by the Ladies' Aid. Originally, they had planned to use the money to buy carpet. 6. Was Pollyanna glad to see Nancy at the station? Answer 6. Yes, Pollyanna was glad to see Nancy at